We mentioned like artificial sweeteners and sugar. Sugar is without doubt, and grains, particularly gluten, is probably the major offender to upset the microbiome. So lack of sleep is another big problem for the microbiome. Stress can affect the bugs in your gut. Over-the-counter medicines, antibiotics, steroids, cortisone, these kind of things are major problems with the gut. What helps the gut? You should eat plenty of prebiotic foods. Those are green fibery foods, asparagus, dandelion root, these kinds of things, very healthy for the gut. Fermented foods. Most cultures, you know, the Japanese have miso soup, Koreans have kimchi, Germans have sauerkraut. You know, yogurt is a good fermented food, very healthy for the bugs in the gut. I would say probably one of the most important things to stay away from is antibiotics. Antibiotics are hurting us a lot more than they are helping us. So again, I'd mentioned previously that, you know, one course of antibiotics can mess up your microbiome for years. Vitamin D in good doses. Many people are vitamin D deficient. Vitamin D is very helpful for the gut as well. Healthy probiotics is very good for the gut. So there are a lot of things you can do to maintain, you know, a healthy gut.